Hello kids. Today in this video you will learn how to compare fractions. Fractions are of two types, like and unlike fractions. Let us understand first how to compare like fractions. Let's take an example. Here is the first example. Compare 7 by 12 and 5 by 12. As we can see, these both are like fractions. When the fractions are like, we need to just compare the numerators. As in this example, 7 is greater than 5, so 7 upon 12 is greater than 5 upon 12. If we look at the next example, 5 upon 9 and 5 upon 3. As these fractions are unlike fractions but their numerators are same. So, when the numerators are same but their fractions are unlike fractions, in this case we will compare the denominators. But here the result will be vice versa. Means the greater will become smaller and the smaller will become greater. So here 9 is greater than 3, but 5 upon 3 will be the greater fraction. This will be only in this case. This method will apply only in this case when the numerators are same. Now let's have next example, that is compare 3 by 11 and 4 by 7. As both the fractions, these are unlike fractions. So in this case, when we are comparing two fractions, in this case we can use the method of cross multiplication. If you all remember, we have done cross multiplication method earlier also. Let us recall it. Likewise, I have written the question here, 3 by 11 and 4 by 7. We will cross multiply these two fractions. LHS will be 3 into 7 and RHS will be 11 into 4. When we get the products, we can see that 44 is greater, means RHS is greater than LHS. So, the fraction on RHS right hand side will be greater. That is 3 upon 11 is less than 4 upon 7. So, we will be following this method of cross multiplication method to compare two fractions. But when it comes to the comparing more than two fractions, in that case we need to do the LCM method. Before that, let us understand comparing the mixed fraction. Kids, to compare mixed fractions, we need to first of all convert the mixed fraction into unlike fractions, and then we will follow the same method of cross multiplication. So this will be solved as, first of all, convert it into improper fraction. Then in the same way we will do cross multiplication. After cross multiplication we found that 51 is greater than 50. It means the fraction on the left hand side is greater than the right hand side. Okay, let us understand how to solve or how to arrange the fractions in ascending or descending order. To arrange the unlike fractions into ascending or descending order, first of all, we need to find LCM. LCM of the denominators. As here the fractions are 3 by 8, 2 by 3, 7 by 12 and 11 by 16. So in this case, we will find LCM of 8, 3, 12 and 16. We all know very well how to find the LCM. This we have practiced a lot in earlier exercises. Now, after getting the LCM 48, we will convert the denominators of all the fractions into 48, which will help to make them like fractions. After converting all the unlike fractions into like fractions, we will easily arrange them in ascending or descending order. Let us have a look here. I have solved. Find out the LCM of all the denominators, that is 48. Now what I need to do, I need to convert the given fractions into like fractions. For that, I'll multiply 3 upon 8 with a number which will make 8 as 48. So we all know that 8 6 is 48. And you all remember that whatever we do with the denominator, we do the same with the numerator also. So I will multiply with 6. That will be 3 6 18. In the same way, what is multiplied by 3 which will give me 48? So if you do not remember the tables, in that case, you can just check here that if I leave 3 here, it is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16. And here you can write 16. You can find this in any way, either by division or by checking like this. So if I have multiplied the denominator by 16, I'll multiply numerator also by 16. That is 16 2s are 32. Now 12, what is 48? 12 4s are 48. So 7 4s are 28. Now 16 3s are 48. So 11 3s are 33. Okay. So now my all fractions have converted into like fractions. And we all know when the fractions are like, it becomes easier for us to arrange them or compare them. Now, as they are asking to arrange them in ascending order is smaller to bigger. So the smallest one is 18 upon 48. Then it is 28 upon 48. After that 32 upon 48. And then the last is 33 upon 48. But our question was in other fractions. So we will answer according to the question. So what is 18 upon 48? That is 3 upon 8. You will write here 3 upon 8. Then 28 upon 48 is 7 by 12. After that 32 by 48 is 2 by 3. And then 33 by 48 is 11 by 16. So kids, in this way you will solve activity number 4. Let us have a look at A part. Question 1. These are like fractions because their denominators are same. So you'll just compare in the book itself. Put the sign there. Now here the numerator is same. So in this case you will compare the denominators, but the bigger will be smaller and the smaller will be bigger. Here these questions are to be done in the notebook because you need to compare them by cross multiplication. As I have explained you, to arrange the fractions into ascending and descending order, you will be solving these two questions in the same way.